stock 22 Razor Trail 50. Before nasty. Now we going after nasty. We got these bad boys. BFG Mud Terrain 281014s. 6+1 offset wheels. Look at that. What the fuck? Bead lock. No joke. Damn. They say it fits. You gotta trim a little bit right there, I think, when it's all said and done.
Oh yeah, chop chop.
All good though. Look at the difference though. New, old shoes. Went so good. So much better. Shit like that. 600 miles later, in the snow, the tires are doing dope. Threw a rotate on them the other day after about 500-600 miles at Uncle's house. They're good to go. When you swap up a size, you go all the same size, right? So easy to rotate. Got the old one on the nasty still, just in case. Piece. Stoked. Mobbing this trail. Fuck yeah. Thanks for watching, folks. Stay stoked.